Hello. Good morning, guys. Today I am hashtag taking care of business, hashtag TCB in the garden, and I am just adding some soil, some peat moss, and some goodness to the garden, just getting the garden ready for the fall garden. So you will see me in this video just adding peat moss over my leaves. I put down leaves from last year that I had in bags. I was, just letting them break down and everything. I would add water to some I just let sit. So the leaves are already in the garden, and now I am adding my peat moss. Also, I am adding layers to make, eventually I'm going to make this section back there with the white rocks that you guys see. I'm going to make that taller and taller where I won't have to bend over in the garden. I'm going to raise it up so it will be less stress on my back. So once I get this peat moss bag open, I will get to business in this hashtag TCB. So guys, I would love to have you part of the family. Hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you will be notified when I put up all my videos. Share me with your family and your friends, and follow me on my social media. All my social medias platforms are in the information section underneath this video. My 2 bags of peat moss got me, and I think I need about 3 more to cover that area. And I think I'm doing good. I should have followed my right mind yesterday and got all 5 bags. But I was in a hurry. Lowe's was taking all day. So, yeah. All right, y'all. So this is the updated progress. Once again, All right,
Lord,
y'all. So that is going to be it for my hashtag
All right, y'all.
TCB
Till next
video,
time,
taking care of
I hope
business.
y'all
So if you like this video,
subscribe,
I hope that you
share me
add
with
me
your
to
friends,
your family.
trying to
You
get to
share
400
me with your
subscribers.
friends and your family.
And
I would
until I
love to
see y'all
have you
again the
part
next
of my
time,
family over here.
peace.
Peace.